Hi guys, I'm Liam from Wargaming stuff and welcome back into another video. Today we're going to do an unboxing of this Green Stuff World pack that arrived yesterday. Let's go. Let's start opening the pack. The first thing I saw was the Green Stuff sticker. There's this black primer. There's this airbrush cleaner, really useful. There's this thinner, which is always necessary. There's a new brush. And then the last one, I think, a brush cleaner. And with that, this is the end of our video. Please leave a comment, like and subscribe. See you soon.